Good morning, children. My name is Savithri, working as CRT Visual Science at kgbv mulakalacheruvu, Chittoor district. Children, 7th class General Science, 2nd chapter Nature of Substances. We learned in previous class acids, bases, neutral substances, acid-base indicators also you learned. Now remaining subtopics we learn in this session. Okay, children. Acid is a sour substances. Base is a bitter in taste. Okay. Slippery substance also base is a. Indicators also you learned in previous class. Now pH of substances. pH of substances. pH. We also learned which acid is used in dishes? Vinegar. Vinegar is used in our dishes. But hydrochloric acid is not used in dishes. Why? Strength of acids is or base is different in pH. Okay? Vinegar is less than hydrochloric acid of pH value. Okay, children? pH scale. The strength of an acid or a base solution measured in pH scale. pH scale was introduced by Sorensen. He is scientist. pH scale was introduced by Sorensen. The range of pH scale is from 0 to 14. pH of acid is less than 7. pH of acids is less than 7. pH of bases is more than 7. pH of neutral substance is at 7. Okay, children? pH scale introduced by Sorensen. Very important definition, and who is introduced by pH in bit. Very important way of exam point. Okay. Acid decreases from 0 to 7. Strength of bases increases from 7 to 14. The strength of at 7 of pH value is neutral. Okay, children, we can test pH of different substances by using universal indicator or pH scale. pH paper also. Okay. Let us find pH of different substances by using indicators. Now, we learn small activity. Children, aim to find pH of different solutions by using indicators or pH scale. Materials. Which materials are used? Test tubes, dropper, test tube holder, test tube holder, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide solution, acidic acid solution, water, hydroxide and so on. Okay children, these materials are used in this activity. Okay, in this activity now this is pH paper. This is pH paper. Which numbers? 1 to 11 also only. Okay, actual 1 to 0 to 14. Now pH universal paper. Take universal paper. Take a test tube or this is test tube holder. Take some drops of HCl, hydrochloric acid. This is universal paper. This paper dip in a universal, dip in a HCl. Which color? Yes, red. Observe in this paper. Which color? Yes, in this universal paper or pH scale, you observe the colors. That is 1. HCl color is red. Universal color of universal indicator is red. pH value approximately 1, 0 or 1. Next, strength of nature, strong. Strong acid. Strong acid. Next, we take the water. We use the distilled water. Okay. All of you observe the universal paper dip in water. Any change? No. This is neutral, colorless. Colorless. pH of value is at 7 approximately. That is neutral. Neutral. Next, acetic acid. Next, we take acetic acid in a test tube. Acetic acid in a test tube. Take acetic acid in this test tube. Check with universal paper. Which color? Compare with universal paper. Approximately pH value is 4. pH value is 4. That is yellow. Color is universal. Indicator color is yellow. Approximate value is 7. That is weak. Strength of weak acid. Strength is weak acid. Next, we observed sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Universal paper dip in sodium hydroxide. Which color? Blue. Okay. This is also blue. In this paper, not blue color. Okay. This is nearly blue color. pH approximately 13 or 14. 13 or 14. This is strength. This strength is strong base. Strong base. Magnesium hydroxide is also check in activity. Magnesium hydroxide. You take a test tube and add the 5 grams or 2 grams of magnesium hydroxide salt. Dissolve with distilled water. Shake it. This is magnesium hydroxide solution we prepared. Okay, now we test. We test the universal paper. The universal paper dipped in magnesium hydroxide solution. Which color? Which? Blue, yellow color. Blue, yellow. This is approximately 12 or 13 pH value. This is strong base. Okay, children, we find the different solutions, pH of different solutions by using indicators. Which acid is strong? Which base is strong? Which acid is weak? Which base is weak? We learned in this topic. Okay, children. Okay. HCl is strong acid. Acetic acid is weak acid. Water is neutral. Sodium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide are strong base. Strong base. Next, ammonium hydroxide is weak base. Okay? We show in our laboratory. Okay, children? Strength of acid or base we learned in this topic. Okay. Reaction of acid with metals. A. We find the acids react with metals give the hydrogen gas. Materials. Conical flask, hydrochloric acid, incense stick, matchbox, zinc pieces. Okay, take a conical flask. Take a conical flask. This is conical flask. 5 grams of zinc granules. Put in. Five grams of zinc granules. Take in a conical flask and add 20 ml of hydrochloric acid. Pour in a conical flask. All of you observe. All of you observe. Bubbles are formed from in this conical flask. Zinc metal react with hydrochloric acid, give the hydrogen gas, evolve the hydrogen gas. All of you children observe bubbles form in this flask. Okay. Now with hydrogen gas test. Burning matchstick, burn the incense stick. The burning incense stick near neck of the conical flask. Put off the burning incense stick. Give the pop sound. Give the pop sound. Which gas is released? Hydrogen gas is released. Pop sound released. Evolved in this activity, that is hydrogen gas. This is hydrogen gas. All of you observe pop sound in this activity. Okay children, we can conclude that acids, all acids react with metals, give hydrogen gas, release hydrogen gas. Next, pickles are not stored in metals. Stored in metals, that is aluminium or steel or copper vessels. Why? aluminium, copper, steel. These are the metals. Pickle is acid. React with hydrogen gas. That is corrosion. Okay. We don't use the pickles stored in metals. Okay. Children, observe pop sound. All of you, once again, observe pop sound. Okay, children. The acid react with metals and give the hydrogen gas. How to, which gas is released? How we observe pop sound, produce the pop sound. Okay, children? Hydrochloric acid react with metal, give the zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. We denote the gas shows upward arrow mark. Upward arrow mark. Zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. This is general equation. And also same activity we repeat with the bases. Repeat with bases. Bases react with metal, give the hydrogen gas. That is general formula. Bases NaOH react with zinc, give the zinc, sodium zincate as hydrogen gas. Sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. All bases do not react with metals. Okay, children. Next, we small activity. Connect the small activity. Egg cells with egg cells. Egg cells react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Egg cells react with hydrochloric acid. Egg cell is prepared by egg cell is prepared by calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. This is very less weight compared to the acid. Give the calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. This is general formula. Egg cells. Egg cells are calcium. Take a beaker. Take a beaker and add the calcium carbonate and react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. Which gas is released in this activity? All of you observe. All of you observe. All of you observe. Put off the burning matchstick. This is the another activity. Anika's mother was killed. Mango pickle in a ceramic jar and stored so many doubts were arisen at mind. What would be those doubts? What would be those doubts? Second question. Draw a neat diagram of arrangement of operators to conduct an activity that acid reacts with metal and glue and liberate or evolve hydrogen gas. these two questions you learn.